Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going deep into one of the most highly anticipated hypercars of the modern era, the 2026 Ferrari F80. This isn't just another Ferrari. It's the car that pushes Maranello's limits further than ever before, blending Formula One know-how, extreme hybrid technology, and a design language so dramatic it almost looks like a concept car brought to life. As soon as you approach the F80, you're met with a presence that feels simultaneously futuristic and unmistakably Ferrari. It's low, wide, and aggressive, but sculpted with an elegance that shows Ferrari has lost none of its sense of beauty. Everything about the car screams speed even before you turn the key. Looking at the front, the nose dives down in a way that makes the car look like it's slicing through air while standing still. The headlights are ultra-slim LED blades integrated into channels that direct air around the car, and underneath you find an active front splitter that extends at speed to increase downforce. Ferrari's engineers have shaped every crease and vent for a purpose. Even the prancing horse badge seems to sit deeper in the grille, surrounded by sculpted carbon fiber. Air is pulled in through two massive intakes on either side to feed the radiators and the hybrid system's cooling, all while keeping drag incredibly low. It's the kind of front end that makes you stop and stare, both beautiful and intimidating. Following the lines along the side profile, you see how Ferrari has taken lessons from its race cars and applied them to a road-going hypercar. The body sits impossibly low with sweeping arcs that guide your eyes from the pointed nose to the high rear haunches. Air intakes cut into the sides like sculptural art pieces, channeling airflow to the mid-mounted engine and battery systems. The doors are a show all by themselves. They're dramatic butterfly doors that swing up and out, revealing the carbon fiber monocoque and the intricate side sill designs. The roofline is low but curves perfectly into the rear deck, giving the car a teardrop shape that's both aerodynamic and visually striking. The wheels are massive lightweight alloys wrapped in bespoke Michelin Pilot Sport Cup tires, and behind them sit carbon ceramic brakes that are among the largest Ferrari has ever fitted to a road car. Every detail of the side profile feels honed for performance, but also deliberately artistic, as though Ferrari's design team wanted to make a hypercar sculpture that moves. At the rear, the 2026 F80 makes an even bolder statement. Gone is the traditional Ferrari tail lamp layout. Instead, there's a single razor-thin LED light bar running across the width of the car, making a distinctive signature at night. Above it sits an active rear wing that deploys automatically for downforce or can act as an air brake under hard deceleration. Below that, you find a massive diffuser with fins so large they could have come straight off a Le Mans prototype, designed to suck the car to the road at high speeds. The exhaust layout is unique too. 4 high-mounted titanium pipes integrated into the upper section of the rear fascia, arranged symmetrically for a race-inspired look and an otherworldly sound. Carbon fiber dominates the rear end, from the diffuser to the wing supports, and the whole view from behind is nothing short of spectacular. Step inside and you're greeted by a cockpit that feels like the inside of a fighter jet. Ferrari has stripped away any unnecessary clutter and focused on a driver-centric environment. The steering wheel is a squared-off unit filled with integrated controls, so your hands never need to leave it. There's no traditional gear lever. Instead, you get carbon paddles mounted behind the wheel for instantaneous shifts. The instrument panel is a massive configurable screen, capable of displaying anything from traditional dials to full telemetry data with lap times, G-force meters, and hybrid system power distribution. The center console floats between the driver and passenger with haptic controls for climate and drive modes. The seats are fixed-back carbon shells wrapped in a mix of leather and Alcantara, with just enough cushioning to be comfortable on long drives but stiff enough for serious track work. Ferrari has even introduced a passenger display, so the person riding shotgun can view performance stats, control media, or adjust settings, making them part of the driving experience rather than just a spectator. Ambient lighting is subtle and futuristic, with hidden strips that glow softly at night. The heart of the F80 lies just behind the cabin. Ferrari has embraced hybrid technology at the highest level, pairing a newly developed twin-turbocharged V8 engine with multiple electric motors. Combined output exceeds a staggering 1,050 horsepower with instantaneous torque delivery from the electric side and screaming high rev power from the combustion engine. This allows the F80 to catapult from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 2.1 seconds, making it one of the fastest accelerating production cars on the planet. Top speed is expected to exceed 240 miles per hour. But what's equally impressive is how Ferrari has tuned the chassis and electronics to make all this power usable. An advanced torque vectoring system constantly shifts power between wheels to maximize grip, while the next-generation e-diff and magneto-rheological suspension keep the car flat and composed through corners. Ferrari's brake-by-wire system combined with massive carbon ceramic discs offers phenomenal stopping power, and the energy recovery system feeds kinetic energy back into the hybrid batteries, ensuring efficiency isn't completely ignored. This is a car built for the track but surprisingly drivable on normal roads, thanks to multiple drive modes that soften throttle response and suspension when you're not in attack mode. Price-wise, the 2026 Ferrari F80 sits in the ultra-exclusive realm. The base price is expected to be around $3 million before options. And with Ferrari's tailor-made program allowing buyers to customize almost every inch of the car, final prices can easily soar much higher. Production will be limited to just a few hundred units worldwide, making it a guaranteed collector's piece from the moment it's delivered. For those lucky enough to secure an allocation, this is more than just a purchase. It's an entry into Ferrari's future and a statement of ultimate automotive performance. For enthusiasts considering the F80 or simply admiring from afar, it's clear that Ferrari has built something very special. This car doesn't just rely on outrageous horsepower figures. It represents a total integration of design, aerodynamics, hybrid technology, and craftsmanship. It signals where Ferrari is headed as the automotive world shifts toward electrification without giving up the visceral excitement that defines the brand. For drivers, the suggestion is simple. If you get the chance to experience an F80, do it. It's the kind of car that redefines your expectations of speed, handling, and engagement. And for Ferrari, it shows they're not just keeping up with the future, they're shaping it. As we wrap up this review, the 2026 Ferrari F80 stands out as a landmark in hypercar evolution. It's breathtaking to look at, thrilling to drive, and technologically advanced enough to feel like a concept car that somehow escaped into the real world. This is Ferrari at its most daring, blending tradition with innovation, beauty with brutality, and exclusivity with real-world usability. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the F80, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the world's most exciting cars, and let me know in the comments if you think the F80 is the ultimate hypercar of our time, or if you'd take something else from the competition. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your passion for cars alive and your eyes on the road ahead, because the future of performance is only getting more exciting.